Hello, my name is George Coe, and I am your online world history teacher. I teach at West Potomac and have taught there for 22 years. All of my teaching has been in world history, AP World, World 9, World 10, and occasionally an elective in religion and current events. We will meet on Wednesday evenings at 6 p.m. The class will last about 1 hour. You will access the class through Schoology by clicking on the Zoom link. You will have 4 assignments each week, which you will find in a folder called Assignments. The assignments include readings from Newsela, a discussion board where you make a comment and then later respond to another student's comment, 1 to 2 video clips from Edpuzzle, and an application assignment that we simply call Create. These assignments all count 60% of your grade. You'll get 1 grade for rewrite and discuss, which is 30%. Your Create assignment is worth 20%, and the weekly chat is 20%. An in-person midterm and final exam count the other 40%. Each of those 2 exams is worth 20%. The chat session, as I said, is an additional grade and worth 10%. You are expected to attend all the classes. If you cannot attend a session at 6 p.m., you have a doctor's appointment or a sport event, you can attend Mr. Smith's session at 6 p.m. I will put a link to his Zoom class in course material over the next couple of days. You should try to join Newsela and Edpuzzle as soon as possible. Every weekly assignment will include material from these 2 softwares. Assignments are due on the Tuesday before the class day on Wednesday. In class, you should always turn on your camera and try to arrive on time. You do have assignments for this coming Wednesday. Look in the assignments folder for topic 1. It is about the Renaissance. We start with the Renaissance and go to the present day. As far as grading is concerned, remember that we also have a rolling grade book, which means that your grade at the end of the first quarter simply carries over to the second and to the third. So if you have any questions at all, email me. I will try to respond immediately. Otherwise, I will see you and look forward to seeing you on Wednesday evening at 6 p.m. Bye.